Kamal ka Nuer online TV channel ka jan gwas me ban rach ka men chod la tere wecha ka Kɔŋgö you know men chod la den walle te krek mi chetu ogen wini ka do bana chalat ka jabana jelinkel en walle re wecha ka Kɔŋgö ngai kon Kɔŋgö ala DRC Kɔŋgö shike imbas ni wini to goal chicken ka wang no koren chetu ogen winemi chala do gwad mi shiam 23 ke rebel chige nyen ke de cha Kɔŋgö gwase cha wichen di den chwal ke e gamo cha ja captain ken gwas me tem cha kulo lat gwas me goma jin wije di cha ka benetin kontin la M23 en me alwa mi chetu ogani shi kenere kontin la protester kenere kontin chiw gwas dana ko yetok tin kenere kontin cha imbes ni cha wang imbes dana cha wang imbes USA embassy French, embassy Rwanda, embassy Uganda, Kenya, watch Kenya Rochi can attack, Guadan down in Mesiam 23, che course general which. Wa Canada T, Canada USA, United Nations, Kenya French, Rwanda, Uganda, Kenya, Canada T, Canada content like M23 rebel, Canada Conashunka rebel, she can near to, she can imbas ni ken yikan kawang an man chawalat gwasa me men goren obaje kulo kwenye chala de breaking news. Police in Kinshasa, Democratic Republic of Congo, fire tear gas to disperse protesters attacking embassies. Demonstrators have accused leader of Rwanda, French, and the U.S. of being complacent in the M23 rebel seizure of the city of Goma. Demonstrators burned tires and clashed with police, with the French embassy briefly catching fire. The embassies of French and the United States, Rwanda, Uganda, and Kenya were targeted. According to the source, the protesters followed the M23 rebel advance into Goma, which has escalated the decade-long conflict. Name awa kene general odin kene konla protester techi wide te wang tonatin chi embassy na wang kene USA ka French ka Rwanda ka Kenya ka Uganda embassy ne kene de kon junkel ka M23 la rebel ken ajen do badana no wang kene embassy ni ajen raja dana cha kwen ban raja den ban jele ne link ka korgasen be en biya ta malchu je parwe jeno jin subscribe ki bi nyona sko ken bye bye.